He's there. I know it. I just need to wait for the right moment.
Huh? Sammy, it's 2 in the morning. Why aren't you in bed?
I heard about a man who lives on the moon. I'm trying to lure him out and catch him. So we'll be besties.
It's not true. It's just a cute little story.
That's what they want you to think, Sue. I'm sure.
Oh, why don't we do something more interesting and real? Come with me. I have an idea.
Ooh, sounds nice.
I need something to soothe Sam to sleep. Let it be a galaxy poppet. It's going to be out of this world.
Susie, I was looking for that man on the moon, and, I think I saw an UFO.
There is no such thing as UFO or aliens, so don't worry.
There's not? Phew. Wait, what's happening? Holy cannoli! Duh!
Sorry, Sammy. Did you say something? I can't hear you because of this step of the craft.
I'll be right back, Sue. I'm sure it will all be fine.
Okay. If you say so, I guess I'll just continue with the craft. There we go. This reminds me. I need a fresh manicure. Anyway, now I need to make this thing super sticky. Huh? What's that noise?
Holy cannoli, Sue! What an amazing journey!
Are you okay? What happened? Did you see aliens?
Yeah. Oh, it's such a great bunch of guys. They're huge fans of the show, you know. They just wanted an autograph and a selfie.
Amazing! That means you're the first slime in space.
I guess I am. I'll be famous. Even more famous than I am already.
Just remember, don't let the fame go to your head, okay? Hello? Earth to Sammy? Are you still with me? What is happening back there?
I've gathered the media today to discuss my travels in outer space. Is it true the aliens wanted you to become their leader? I cannot confirm or deny that. All I can say from now on, I'll be known as Space Emperor Sam.
Sammy? I mean Emperor, sir. We've got work to do.
Sorry, Sue. I got a little bit too much carried away.
That's okay. It must have been quite the adventure. Well, with this poppet, you'll be reliving your space escapades. Trust me.
My bait still isn't working. Maybe the man on the moon prefers something else, like chocolate.
Sammy, don't eat all the chocolate. You know that's for snack time only. Whew, okay, friends. Now, check this out. Looks cool, right? This glitter glue will add a little sparkle, and who doesn't want that?
The man on the moon isn't a chocolate fan, but I am. Whoa, is that sparkly slime? That is glorious. I want to look like that.
No, Sammy, this is just glitter glue. And this will add a little sheen to the poppet and lock that sparkle in place. I'm really enjoying this craft. I know Sam's gonna love it. It's already got that space feeling, right? I know I'm getting a real cosmic vibe. This will be perfect for our mini astronomer. This is what you should get, friends. And now, let's use some magical space silver. I wonder where did Sammy go? He's really quiet, and that worries me.
Oh, yeah. This is more like it. I'm looking good and feeling good.
My eyes! It's so bright!
This is the new and improved Sam. Huh? Is that a moth? Hey!
It looks like you've got new fans! I told you to be careful with too much glitter. You're too shiny. Now let's arrange our future planets. Sam, I guess you'll need to wash the sparkle off to get rid of the moths. That's your only option.
It's a sacrifice I'll have to make.
I'm glad to hear that. I thought I was going to have to wear sunglasses for the rest of this video. Now check this out, friends. We are on the way to the first planet of our galaxy poppet. Here we go. Just give me a second to make sure everything works. It looks good, but I can make it look even better.
Good news, Sue. I got rid of the moths, yay! And the bad news, Roger's room has a moth problem now. Poor thing.
Uh-oh, that doesn't sound very good.
Wait, are you painting? Hey, why didn't you tell me?
I'm making a planet for our poppet. You knew I'd do that. Well, want to have a look at the result?
Wow, that looks like so much fun. I want to try it too.
Here you go. But remember, we're making planets.
Yeah. I will let my creativity flow. It shall be a masterpiece. A little dab of paint here. Oh yes, it's wonderful.
In the meantime, I'll make another planet. It might look familiar to y'all.
Hey, I think I can see our house there.
Wow, your eyesight must be amazing! I'm impressed.
The key is my glasses. I practically have X-ray vision.
Right, you're almost like a superhero.
Yeah, I suppose I am.
I think this one should be really colorful. Which one should I choose? Oh, I know, brown. This will look like a swirling atmosphere. How's it going over there, Sammy? Have you finished?
You won't believe this, but I think I've discovered a new planet.
Planet Sam, right? It has a ring to it.
Everything I do is perfect. Now let me put this planet to its rightful place.
You've got a natural talent when it comes to painting, Sammy. Great job.
I feel like an astronaut. It's so much fun.
You're right. And now it's time for a new planet.
You some time and prepared the template. Here you go.
You are so helpful today. Thank you.
What are you talking about? I'm always helpful. Huh? Did you hear that?
It can't be the man on the moon, can it? Ooh, I even got goosebumps. Is everything okay back there, Sammy?
It wasn't the man on the moon. Roger got caught in the butterfly net.
But who set the net?
I did.
Oh, Sammy, you and your pranks. This will be the center of our galaxy puppet. I want it to shine like the real sun.
Huh! This is the perfect opportunity to work on my tan.
I'm not finished yet. I'm gonna make it extra special.
Do you smell something? It's like burning! I am burning! Ah!
I guess our poppet won't be the only thing in our house that glows in the dark. And we're done!
Look, Sue! I'm using the sun as a trampoline.
We'll need to stick all the planets to the frame. And voila! I love how it turned out. But we can't forget about the other side. I want it to look amazing too. We are done here. All that's left to do is draw a few happy faces. They're going to bring Sammy so much fun. The poppet is ready, Sam. Come and have a look. Oh, it's so cute.
Whoa, it's amazing. It's the best thing I've ever seen. I feel so happy, Sue. Thank you so much.
I knew you'd like it, Sammy. But you haven't seen the best part yet. Here, let me just turn the lights off.
Great time! Now we can finally go to bed. I'm so sleepy.
Ah, he's so cute when he's sleeping. Good night, my little slime friend.
Nighty-night, everyone! See you in the next video.
Friends, we love you all. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Oh, come on. No, not that. Come on, what are you doing?
Aw, Sammy, you've been playing for hours already. Enough, maybe?
Just a little more.
Yeah, Sue, what are you saying? He's almost there. Keep it up, Ing.
Just a tiny,
Come on,
teeny
Sammy.
tiny. Come on! I'm almost there.
Oh no, not again! Stop making noise! Hey, you there! I said quiet! Oh, this might work. Well now, let's see how much fun you will have.
Oh my! What's going on?
What? I didn't save. Now we have to start over.
Oh, come on, what is going on?
I'm such a loser.
Don't be upset. I know what will cheer you up.
You mean new crafts? That would be nice.
Yeah, wipe your tears and let's go.
Hi all. Today we... no, I can't do that. I'm too upset. Gotta lay down.
Oh, poor Sam. Come here. We've already arranged a place for you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, there.
Where's freaking me here? I can't rest like that.
Hey,
Easy. What is this doing here? Are you kidding me? What am I, the princess and the pea?
Huh, interesting. This could make a great toy. First, let's make a wireframe for it. We'll connect several pieces of wire together and bend the edges like this. What position should I put you in? Maybe I'd better do it like this? Yes, perfect. Somewhere here I had a blue...
Oh, this is kind of
Hey,
soft.
I need it. Well, any ideas? Who's it gonna be? A blue rainbow friend.
I sure stop talking. I can't sleep like
Oh,
that.
Sammy. By the way, this button could come in handy. Hop, and we'll draw the rest. You know what, Sammy? You can sleep with this toy.
Oh, how cool it turned out. We'll take a royal nap. Oh, you are the best, Sue.
Ow!
It's not fair. Why are you always being praised? I also know how to make cool toys, and I'm gonna prove it. Now, let's take a curler and make the legs of the green rainbow friend out of it, like this. To connect them to the body, we'll need a small opening, approximately like this. And literally just a drop of hot glue. And hop! Great! In a similar way, we'll make hands. Bam! Now let's take some air plasticine and carefully close the joints on our cool toy.
I'm sorry, I could have helped you, Samantha, but my hands turned green.
And here are the plasticine palms. Oh, how unhappy I am.
Wait, how do you know he's unhappy? I don't see any socks.
Thanks, Sue. And the eyes are in place. We only need to draw a mouth. So...
Wow, you really know how to make cool toys. Well done.
Hop, hop, hop.
Oh, this is cozy. Stay tuned. Sam, Sue, girls, where are you?
Oh, Sammy, it's so easy to scare you.
But what's here to be afraid of? This is a cool anti-stress craft.
Well, apparently in slimes, it only causes stress.
But our viewers are not slimes, right? Now I'll show you how it's done. Watch carefully a step-by-step tutorial. Hop. The main thing here is to take a square-shaped piece of paper, like for an origami.
There are a lot of videos with paper crafts on our channel. Don't forget to check them out.
Just a couple more folds like this, and then like this. And if you do everything right, this is what you should get in the end. Hop. Here we go. Here, look.
Fine, let me try. Well, what to draw? Oh, I just love making these foldable toys. In this one, we can fit 3 different characters at once. Can you imagine?
Are they out of their minds?
This marker squeaks a little. Oh well. So we'll draw all 3 characters in turns. As you can see, I started with...
Make way, Susie. Did you think you would deprive me of my favorite part? No way. Huh? That ain't so
Hey,
good for
sis,
you.
do you
Not
mind?
at all.
Whatever, do everything yourself.
Oh, come on, Sammy, don't hold grudges. We all will color a little. Just check out how great we did. Hop, hop, hop.
Oh, it looks so cool. Only I haven't crafted at all yet. Fine.
By the way, this is easy to fix.
Of course! I'll show you now. Once again, we need a piece of paper that will fold several times.
Now I'll help you, Sue, to keep it all together.
And you were worried that you didn't participate in crafting. Perfect. It remains only to add colors to our drawing. Well, let the battle begin. The green is somewhat like a referee. Cool, huh?
Yeah, very cool.
An amazing craft, but we're gonna drum, all right? Hey, what are you?
Whoosh! It's your cue, Sam.
Up. Phew, the battery's charged. You can cut it out.
Thanks, Sammy. Sue, can you help?
Oh, sure.
In the meantime, I'll take... What happened here?
Sorry, Samantha. Raxie thought I was grass and chewed on it.
Yeah, well, it's okay. Let's do it like this. Now we'll glue a paper sheet on top and get a frame. Let's apply some glue right here to stick the battery that Sue kindly cut out. Here we go. Oh, looks like the battery's dying.
What are you doing, Sue? Did you decide to cut everything here?
Ah, Sammy, you're panicking for nothing. I do everything as planned. You'll see for yourself in a second. We'll glue one half of the character on the left and the other one on the right.
And we get this funny thing.
Well, this craft is super easy. Give it a thumbs up, people, and don't go anywhere because we're not done yet, right?
Right.
Okay. Oh, I love all kinds of anti-stress toys. And you, friends?
If yes, subscribe to our channel. And right now, we'll show you how you can make them.
First, turn this square into a triangle. Now, one more time. Now, we bend two opposite corners to the middle, like this.
We'll make two more bends to the center to get something like this. A candy.
Candy? Huh? Did someone say candy? We're starving here. Oh.
You know what? He who doesn't work, neither shall he eat. And now that I'm finishing this piece, I can have a bite.
I'm done with mine too. Well, let's have a nice snack.
Here, are you happy now?
Oh, come on, Sam. We were just joking. We would feed you without any crafts. Now look closely. Turn the corners like this. Add some glue. Yeah, so that nothing falls apart. Carefully open it and get such a cube.
And I made a few more. Let's glue them together, shall we?
Let's, huh?
And you can enjoy your new toy.
You know, the pop tube is good, but I prefer Pop It. Watch our previous videos on the channel if you want to learn how to make it yourself.
Or just keep an eye on my hands. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Ew, it's a bit of a laborious process, of course, but here's what it should look like in the end. Sammy, how many of these thingies will be enough?
150! No, let's make it 300! Or better yet, 3,000!
I think 16 will be good, too.
Okay, but you owe me one more paper toy.
No problem, Samantha. Can you help?
Easy. A secret combination and boom! Hey, where's one more cube?
Don't be tricky with magic, but train your fingers and mind in the art of origami.
Okay, Master Sam. So let's fold the paper in half, then one more time. What's next?
Don't you remember the edges to the center? Hop, hop, easy.
Oh, thanks. Now just connect all 6 parts in turns until you get a cube. Up. Now let's glue them. A little help? Nope. Not that again. That's better. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our infinite super mega paper cube. Hop, hop, and like that. Ouch!
What
I
happened?
broke my nail. Where's the file?
Wait, there's a better idea. Here, Susie, I barely got everything you needed. You're on your own now.
Okay, take a break. And we'll take some air plasticine and give it a square shape. It should be rather tiny, see? Decorate the edge with a gray plasticine strip, like this. 1, 2, and the eyes are right there. We'll draw the pupils with a marker. It remains only to add a couple of long, tenacious hands and we'll get Purple Rainbow Friend.
Whoa, how cool is he? We won't stop at one finger, right? Yeah. Well, check it out.
Wow, how cute and cool they all are.
And now it's time to admire everything we've made today. Let's go!
Oh, we had so much fun today, and we've crafted a lot.
You don't say. I even got a new manicure.
What's the matter?
What's that
What's
sound?
happening?
Keep it down!
Our neighbor from downstairs is angry again. Maybe we should give him something of this. For calming the nerves, you know?
Great
right.
idea,
Let's do
Sammy.
it.
Huh? What is this? The doorbell? Who on earth can it be? Nobody's here. Oh. Huh. This is very interesting.
Here you go. Now you also know how to appease a grumpy neighbor. Subscribe to our channel and watch our videos. Bye! Whee! This is a blast! Who's the cutest slime, huh?
Hi, Sammy. What is it?
Oh, it's a new doll stuff. Look!
Oh, hey, I'm the one who ordered it. It's mine. Hi, what's going on here?
My Avatar doll has arrived.
Wow, let me see and play.
No, it's my doll. I'm not giving it to anyone.
Oh yeah? Sammy, follow me. We have a new challenge. We're gonna make our own cool doll.
Oh, I'm game.
So pretty. Let's dress her up. Oh, there's so many options. And you wanna craft one? Give it a try.
You'll see, Nancy. It's gonna be an amazing craft.
That's right, Sammy. Now what do we have here? Oh, great. The torso's ready. How are you gonna put on her pants and skirts? Forget it. My doll's already got a wig.
Ha, Stacy's gonna let me wear the wig.
Of course. Just wait. We still have to finish the doll.
Here, take the foil for the head frame.
Oh, thanks. Nancy, check this out. What do you think, huh? Keep molding, bestie. Just look how lovely my doll's face is. I have to speed up and make her jaw drop. Here, I finished. Wow, she's quite good. Uh-huh. Let's attach the head. Oh, look how funny it spins. Catch!
Oh, the jumping head!
Look out, I'm gonna get you!
Zombie doll's invasion! Close your eyes, sweetie!
Oh, we'll make you a scared face. Is it even here? Terribly pretty, my precious. And my doll's legs aren't functioning. Ugh.
Try to put it on this pin. Then it'll work just fine.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. What do you think now, Nancy?
I'm beginning to like this doll too. She and mine could become besties. Cool. And we'll let her wear my doll's clothes. I can't. It doesn't fit.
And we'll make her a new outfit. First, we need to take measurements.
Now we need the material. Clay clothes are the most durable.
I don't even know how it's gonna work.
Look, we'll mold it right on the doll. Dexterity and no cheating.
Huh? Where's the back? It's weird.
You don't get it, Sammy. It's the latest trend.
Want one?
No. Hands off. I'm a designer, not a model.
Oh no, my doll's half is gone. Help!
Don't panic. I'll find her and bring her home.
This is all I have. What should I do?
Hey, we can play with the legs separately. Put on some fancy shoes and the perfect look is ready.
I should make it for my doll too. She'll walk proudly down the street. Oh, I mean the table.
My doll has many different looks. Get as much inspiration as you want. I also decorated her shorts with stickers. We can mix outfits for a whole fashion show.
Uh-oh, silly me. I need to mold her pants.
Do you have a warehouse in there? Come on, so fast, how? My doll will be watching your every move.
Here we are. Found her and a way out.
My super strong helper will get her.
Yay, thanks. I think I'll glue the legs to prevent further escapes.
Yay, let's get her ready to their first meeting. I want to dress her up again. Look how well this color suits her. We can finally play.
Great,
Huh?
you got me inspired to design an upgrade.
Well then we'll dress up somewhere too. That's it.
Oh, we should defo try this. Get the clay,
I
Sam.
made up a rock jacket. All you need to do is craft it.
I'll make it even better than you thought. Now we'll add some pink elements. Uh-huh.
Will it fit for my doll too?
Clay outfits are the new trend.
Hey, I'm your best friend. Let me wear it.
Huh? Shall we arm wrestle for it?
Let's go. I'm gonna beat you. Huh?
I've got an idea. Come here.
Hey, what are you doing? My hair!
Check this out.
Amazing! It doesn't work with mine, though. I'll figure something out, too. A super cool headband.
Maybe I should make one for my doll.
First, give her a haircut. Then we'll see.
So, how is it going? Are you ready to choose the best doll?
No, Sammy, time out. A new hairstyle is on the way.
When are you gonna do her hair?
Shall we make her hair out of threads or paper?
No and no. It'll be hard to attach and they'll tear quickly.
What's taking you so long?
Ooh, I have an idea. Here! It's like clay, but more flexible.
Yay, this'll work.
While your girlfriend is at the hair salon, we'll try on some new accessories. Check these out.
Excuse me, we're making a surprise. See you later.
Fine, we'll have it all to ourselves. Uh-oh, we have to hurry. I haven't picked out a new look for you yet. Oh, let's not forget about the wig. There it is. And a headband as the finishing touch. We're ready.
But I'm not done yet. We need to add some stickers. I chose these eyes and lips. You're about to see our doll come to life.
Give me those stickers. Wow, they look so cool.
Don't get upset. Here you go. Take whatever stickers you want.
Now it's nice when you get along.
Let's test them right away. We don't need these anymore. Okay. Wow, what a makeover. There's still some of my stickers left. What should I do with them? I know. Check out this cool fashionista.
Yeah, she's so cute.
Here, you should decorate your doll with stickers too.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. What a great idea.
Whee! Check out my pretty girl, Avastar.
And my doll, too. Which one do you like more?
Oh, it's hard to choose. They're both great.
But I have a trump card up my sleeve. Hop.
Show me, what are you hiding up there?
Uh-huh. Look what I've got. Can you guess?
More clay? What is it for?
So we can make more accessories. check out this purse.
Not fair! There's no purse in my set!
Wait, I've got the best idea ever. Our dolls can share stuff. They're friends now. Deal?
Deal. We're both in. Thank you. Let's have a friendly fashion show. Stay tuned.
It was a great idea to swap stickers.
I like it too. Their outfits look so much better. Oh, my fatty, you switched them. Oh. Do you want some too? Huh? I'm not your pet flying hat. Which doll do you like? If it's my fashionista, give a thumbs up.
And if it's my craft, subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.